What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if this isn't your first time. My name is Jasmine and welcome to ImJustTechnical, the channel where I teach you about all things beneficial for your Twitch and YouTube channels. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the Unlurk command using Nightbot. In the previous video, I taught you guys how to do the lurk command using Nightbot, so now I'm going to teach you how to do the Unlurk command. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, then keep on watching. Okay, so you want to go to nightbot.tv. It's not nightbot.com, so I can never spell. Nightbot.tv. I'll have the link down in the description box. And you want to make sure that you log in with your Twitch account. Once you've done that, you want to come over here to the left hand side. It's behind my camera actually, but it says commands. So you click on commands and then you want to click on custom and it's going to bring you here. Then you want to come over here to the right hand side and click add new command. And I usually like to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. ! Unlurk. Message. I'm always so indecisive. This is just a tutorial video, but I'm so indecisive. But for this part, for the message, you can type whatever you want. Back up and give me some room. I'm back from lurking. That's gonna be my message. User level, I'm gonna keep it at everyone. Cooldown, that just means that, you know, if I'm in the chat and I use this command, if it's set at 5 seconds and I use this command, if somebody else tries to use it right after me, under 5 seconds, then it's not gonna happen. So it just helps to kind of regulate the spamming of certain like commands. So you can adjust that to your liking depending on your chat. Alias, don't worry about that, just leave it blank. We're gonna hit submit. Now we need to go and test our command to make sure that it works. So we're gonna go over to Twitch. Once you're on Twitch, you want to make sure that you log in with your account, and once you're logged in, you want to come over here to the top right hand corner and click your profile picture and then click channel. Once you've done that, you want to come over here and click on chat. And first things first, we want to make sure that we make Nightbot a moderator for our channel. So to do that, you want to come over here and type in /mod space and then the name of the person that you want to mod. So in this case is Nightbot. So Nightbot. As you can see from my channel, Nightbot is already a moderator for my channel. If they're not a moderator for your channel, then the message will say that Nightbot is now a moderator for your channel. And we do that just to kind of ensure that the commands work and we give permission for Nightbot to do what it needs to do with the commands, if that makes sense. So now we're going to go in and type our new command, ! Unlurk. Don't worry about stream elements. I use stream elements instead of Nightbot. And here's our message. Back up and give me some room. I'm back from lurking. Short, sweet, and to the point. So our command works. That's it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you did, I would appreciate it if y'all would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any specific tutorials you want to see on this channel, leave it down in the comment section below and I'll check it out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Later, y'all.